Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we are going to explore the NSTBrowser, an anti-detect browser designed to enhance online privacy. Let's start the review and discover what NSTBrowser has to offer. NSTBrowser is an anti-detection browser crafted to help users bypass detection and tracking mechanisms on various websites. It enables users to modify or conceal their IP address, browser fingerprint, and other identifiers, positioning it as a vital tool for maintaining anonymity and privacy online. Particularly favored by individuals involved in web scraping, traffic arbitrage, and other activities requiring frequent circumvention of content blocks, the NSTBrowser has gained popularity. Key benefits of using NSTBrowser include its ability to use authentic digital fingerprints to mimic real user behavior, cloud storage for data which minimizes the load on local devices, and support for managing multiple profiles simultaneously with options for automating processes. Now let's explore the subscription plans available for NSTBrowser, each designed to cater to different needs and preferences. The free tariff plan is an excellent starting point for new users, offering 10 hours of free access to the browser's functionalities. This plan allows the creation of an unlimited number of profiles, though it limits profile launches to 10 per day and supports teams of up to 3 members. The professional plan, priced at $299, significantly expands capabilities, increasing the profile launch limit to 3,000 and the usage time to 1,000 hours. The enterprise tariff at $599 includes all the features of the lower plans but removes limitations on team size, increases profile launches to 100,000, and offers 2,500 hours of usage. Additionally, a promotional offer is currently available. An annual subscription comes with a 40% discount. Let's launch the browser and explore its interface closely. When you launch NSTBrowser, you are greeted by the main page displaying already created profiles. Here you can start by creating a new profile, utilizing mass creation tools or importing profiles. Let's walk through the process of setting up a single profile. Begin by naming your new profile and organizing it into a group for streamlined management. Currently, the browser core is limited to Chromium, with plans to add Firefox support soon. Choose the Chromium core version and an operating system: Windows, macOS, or Linux. You have the option to manually set the user agent or select a random one to enhance anonymity and specify the start page for this profile. Next, move to the proxy section where you can add a custom proxy. Choose the protocol, HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5, and input the IP address, port, and authentication details. If your proxy supports rotation, include the rotation URL. A built-in verification function is available to ensure the proxy's validity. For step-by-step guidance, refer to the on-screen annotations. In the hardware section, adjust settings like WebGL, Canvas, and Client Rex to create a unique digital fingerprint. This customization helps in enhancing your security and privacy. Advanced settings offer further customization. Here you can set preferences for time zones, languages, geolocation, and WebRTC. Adjust screen resolution and select fonts to increase anonymity. The current browser fingerprint displayed on the right can be randomized as needed. Once the profile is set up, it can be edited, copied, or transferred as necessary. You also have the flexibility to configure cookies, view history, and clear the cache. Now let's move on to the additional tabs presented in the browser. In the Groups tab, you can effortlessly organize and manage your profiles by creating customized folders, streamlining your navigation and access. Moving over to the Team section, this area allows you to expand your collaborative efforts by inviting new members and easily assigning them specific roles and permissions. The Proxies section offers a robust setup for managing your proxies. Here you can pre-create folders and link them to profiles seamlessly. Exploring the Browserless feature still in beta, you'll find support for extensive web scraping and automation capabilities. Managed through cloud deployment, this feature improves performance and offers offline functionalities perfect for complex tasks. In the RPA tab, this tool lets you upload, customize, and schedule pre-made scenarios, facilitating efficient process management and monitoring. The Extensions tab allows you to enhance your browser's capabilities, download and integrate essential extensions from your device or directly from the Chrome store into your profiles. Switching to the billing section, manage all your financial transactions here. You can top up your balance, set up automatic payments, review your transaction history, and adjust your tariff plans with ease. The API tab opens up possibilities for automation by integrating tools like Selenium, Puppeteer, and Playwright. Also take advantage of the affiliate program, which rewards you for inviting new customers. At the bottom of the interface, quick access buttons lead you into our Discord and Telegram communities. Engage in discussions, receive updates, and get support through the online chat feature available right here. For a comfortable viewing experience, the interface's theme settings allow you to switch between light and dark modes, ensuring the browser is easy on the eyes, no matter the time of day. Also, NSTBrowser is designed to cater to a global audience, offering a multilingual interface that includes English, Chinese, Spanish, Russian, and Vietnamese. Lastly, the settings section is where you can personalize your experience further, adjust your account settings, configure local applications, and check for updates. If you need more resources, a quick button links directly to the official site of the browser. Based on our review, it's clear that the NST browser developed by Norton stands out as a robust anti-detection browser dedicated to enhancing privacy and anonymity online. It effectively masks IP addresses, encrypts traffic, and provides comprehensive blocking of ads, trackers, phishing, and fraudulent sites. Moreover, NSTBrowser includes a free plan which allows users to thoroughly evaluate its features before committing to a full subscription, ensuring they can test its capabilities and see firsthand how it meets their privacy needs. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.